Cartoville, a bustling town known for its efficient urban planning, faced a growing challenge. Its geographic information system, once a cutting-edge tool, was showing its age. The town had evolved, but its GIS system had not kept pace. Urban planners struggled with outdated maps and cumbersome data entry. Important decisions were delayed due to the limitations of the old system. Cartoville needed a change. The town council recognized the urgency. A modern GIS was no longer a luxury. It was a necessity. They envisioned a system that could handle the town's growing data needs. It had to be powerful, intuitive, and capable of supporting Cartoville's future growth. The council formed a committee to lead the search for the perfect GIS solution. Cartoville's existing GIS system was a relic of the past. It relied on outdated technology and lacked the features required for modern urban planning. The system struggled to handle the town's growing volume of spatial data. Maps took ages to render, and performing complex spatial analysis was a Herculean task. Data integration from various departments was a nightmare. The outdated system hindered collaboration and informed decision-making. Data silos prevented departments from sharing crucial information efficiently. Real-time updates were non-existent, leading to decisions based on old data. The system's limitations were felt across the town, impacting everything from infrastructure projects to emergency response times. The Council's GIS Selection Committee embarked on a mission to define the ideal system for Cartoville. They knew it had to be powerful yet user-friendly, capable of handling vast amounts of data while remaining accessible to all departments. Spatial analysis capabilities were paramount, allowing planners to model various scenarios and make informed decisions. Data integration was another crucial requirement. The new system had to seamlessly integrate data from various departments, breaking down data silos and enabling a holistic view of the town. Real-time updates were essential for accurate decision-making. Customizable reporting features were needed to communicate insights effectively. Finally, the system had to be scalable to accommodate future growth. The search begins. Armed with a clear vision, the committee began its search for the perfect GIS solution. They reached out to industry leaders and consulted with other municipalities. Demos were scheduled and vendors were invited to showcase their products. The committee meticulously evaluated each system, focusing on its features, usability, and compatibility with Cartoville's existing infrastructure. They considered factors like cost, training, and ongoing support. The committee recognized that choosing the right GIS was a long-term investment. They needed a system that not only met their current needs but could also adapt to future challenges. The selection process was thorough, involving stakeholders from various departments to ensure the chosen system met everyone's requirements. A decision is made. After a rigorous evaluation process, the committee narrowed down the options to a few finalists. Each finalist possessed unique strengths, making the decision a challenging one. The committee revisited their list of requirements, carefully weighing the pros and cons of each system. Finally, a decision was made. The chosen GIS system excelled in all critical areas. It offered powerful spatial analysis tools, seamless data integration capabilities, and real-time data updates. Its user-friendly interface made it accessible to users of all skill levels. Moreover, the system's scalability ensured it could grow alongside Cartoville's evolving needs. The Town Council approved the committee's recommendation, paving the way for the implementation phase. Cartoville transformed. The implementation of the new GIS system marked a turning point for Cartoville. The town's spatial data was migrated to the new platform and departments underwent comprehensive training. The user-friendly interface and intuitive tools empowered staff to leverage the system's full potential. Cartoville finally had a GIS that could keep up with its ambitions. The impact was immediate. Planners could now visualize complex data, model different scenarios, and make informed decisions with ease. Data silos were a thing of the past, replaced by seamless data sharing and collaboration. Real-time updates ensured that decisions were based on the most current information. Cartoville's new GIS wasn't just a tool, it was a strategic asset propelling the town toward a smarter and more efficient future.